Hey, want to make awesome videos without ever picking up a camera or microphone? You're in the right place. Today, I'm breaking down exactly how you can create your own AI-generated videos, step by step. Let's get into it. First up, the script. I use ChatGPT to write everything I need. Just type in your topic or idea and let AI do the heavy lifting. You'll have a full script in seconds. Seriously, it's that easy. Step 2, the voice. No need to record anything. I just copy my script into ElevenLabs. I just copy my script into play.ht. Pick a voice I like, and boom, my audio is ready to go. It sounds super realistic, and you can even tweak the style or accent. Now, let's bring it all together visually. I use Pictory, I use NVIDIA, I use HeyGen. Just upload your audio, add your script. These platforms generate visuals. They add transitions. They add cool effects for you. Almost done. For those final touches, I jump into Canva. I jump into CapCut. Here I add text labels. I add icons for each step. Icon, script, icon, voice, icon, video, icon, editing. Maybe a few slick transitions to give it that techie futuristic vibe. And that's it. You just made a complete AI-generated video. No camera, no mic, just pure creativity and a little bit of tech magic. So, will you try making your own AI video? Drop a comment and let me know. And hey, if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit subscribe for more step-by-step AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see what you create.